Oh, Joy. Oh, it's Kyrie. Come. Oh, let's go. Good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning.
You say good morning.
Say good morning. Oh, Joy. Say good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Good
We're here now.
Sky. Saan na tayo? Dito ba yata dito?
We're gonna find this road.
Let's see the
shower.
what number.
Okay. Oh, we're going to locate the shower. Guys, we're looking for the shower. Good morning. It's 7 a.m. in the morning. We woke up early. Whew, it's nice. We have a good sleep.
53 to 65 pataas siya.
Early ba yung 7? Ayan, 32. Yung mga inner circle mo.
Quiet. Somebody is sleeping. They're still sleeping.
May tent sila. Tignan mo yun eh. Cabin tent.
Ito, mas maliit ito kaysa dun sa atin.
Ay, hindi. May ano lang na canopy. May ano lang sila. Yan solo lang. Ay, ayun, meron pa sila na. Oh, may mga nagka-camping din girl. Mga tent.
Ito yung tignan mo, isa lang siya. Oh, pero tatlo silang sasakyan. Yung ating counted as dalawa, diba? Tignan mo, no, tatlo. Pilipino yan sigurado.
Going to find a shower. It's gonna take a bath.
May tatlong tent girl. Hindi nakita, tulog pa sila. Yung atin, di ba dalawang number?
May mga tent para tayo ng cabin tent. Wala cabin tent.
Guys, napakaganda ng view ng West Cove. Punta kayo dito.
Nasaan pa yung
Ito
view?
magandang area.
Nasaan ang view?
Napakaganda ang camping area dito. Tahimik at saka may
I
privacy.
think gano'n yung sa Walmart. Yung ganyan siya.
Privacy.
Pero plain lang. Pero
Yung
ganyan.
kakain ka siguro na yung hindi malamok. No? Kasi hindi malamok kahit pa
I
paano
think you know.
malamok.
Look at that. That's nice. That's gazebo. I want that thing. Look at that.
Bili ka sa Walmart, mura lang.
You're gonna buy like
30.
that. Yeah.
Magkano yung nakita natin?
30
Like
girl,
gazebo,
29 point something.
Hindi
Yun pala,
ganyan
guys,
naman.
ang-
Iba na yun. Ano lang
Dalhin
yan?
ganun may gazebo kasi medyo
Hindi yan good. Mas iba yan.
maganda pala may gazebo. Then,
Yun din nga yung kainan kasi nga di ba malamok minsan.
sana, where are we
Ang
going?
hirap nga naman kumakain ka. Girl, di ka pinakagad ka na
No,
lamok.
wait,
I think doon pa
glass
ganun
pipe.
tayo. Ay!
Ayun o, yung harang mo talaga yung sasakyan kasi nga para nga di ba privacy.
Dog.
Sky.
Hi, dog.
Ayun.
Hindi nga ito rin yung pababa sa atin.
Ito nga yung pababa sa atin eh. Umikot lang tayo sa dyan. Tapos pa ganun. Hindi yan shower. Iba yan. Hindi yan shower. Yan yung tubig. Tubig yan. Pag kailangan mo ng tubig.
Yun na like tayo. Iniihan na.
Private function. This is private
Yan yung
function.
kaninang-
Mga video, makita nila.
Yan yung kaninang dinaanan natin. Kagabi pa.
Kanina. We just woke up this morning, right?
No,
Kagabi, last night.
Yan yun. Dalawang.
Yun.
Ayun, o dalawang sila. Dito tayo dumaan.
Okay. Yan ang mga videographer. Videographer sa ano? Choreographer.
Kami naman video mo. Pangit mo. Laki-laki.
Ano pala ng mga manis pala yun.
Okay guys, hanapin. We're going to find what's this? Right here, we're going to find the shower area because we're gonna take a shower
We're finding the spot
right
for
here.
the shower.
Four.
We're close.
Four.
Find the splash park over there.
Yeah, four. Okay.
Because I'm playing there. But never mind with my clothes.
Maganda rin yun. Good morning, West Cove. West Cove.
West Cove. Say hi to West Cove.
Howdy. Of St. Paul.
Very nice. Beautiful.
Nice
Beautiful.
to be back next.
Beautiful place. Ayan. Tulog sila.
Whoa.
Tulog. Ano ko ba? Huwag kang maingay. Be quiet guys because it's sleeping.
Daddy.
Oh.
Finally, we We found a siren at 18 siren. Is there a siren up there?
Yes.
I want to turn on. Not shower. Not shower. Shower.
Oh, shower.
Me
Four.
on the shower.
Shower?
Din natin kung ano na.
Where are we going?
Like to the spark park. You remember?
One.
Sa 4 daw po.
Ito, one. Look at the map. Look at the map.
Can we go
Leo.
to
Pero
Look,
sabi
look
din
the map.
ng
Look the map.
Damn. Can we go to the spark park? I want to go to the spark park.
Oh, just wait.
Dito kasi tignan mo oh. 1.
Ah, bakit pag
Ito
do not
yung
enter
for
sa
sasakyan.
Yeah.
Kasi yung ano
Lang yan. One way for vehicles lang yan. Kasi doon natin, one way lang kasi dito eh. Diba?
laki no. Tapos ano yan, yacht.
May mga yate dito. There's ano pa.
Dahil siguro nga din yan.
Sarap mag-camping dito.
Pala pag magka-camping ka, kapatitid mo lang yan.
Yun. Sana pupunta sana to? 3 o 4.
Ano na ba yung leg? Nakita niyo na ba yung leg na yan? Ito, hindi ko alam ko. Nagmutin ko na.
Ayun, ang shower. Yun.
Once pa lang ako makapunta dito.
Ito yung shower.
Wow, we love that already.
Yung kasama na yun sa ano.
Ito yung shower. Looks like this one is the shower. Okay.
Oh, there's a shower bathroom.
Is that shower?
Yeah, I knew it.
You knew it.
I found
Really?
a shower.
Oh, okay.
I found it.
Say hi to our viewers.
Hello!
No, here, just here. You say hi.
Hello!
See viewers, yeah. Say hi to viewers, watchers. Hi viewers. Say YouTube viewers, YouTube viewers on Facebook, followers and viewers. So ito na. Wow, this is a big. Quiet. So there's a man and woman. So you can choose, complete.
Go.
Big washroom.
I found a big one.
Pinador.
Is it locked or closed?
Oh, guys,
Hindi, turn knob to the left.
there
Ayan,
is
to
a
the left.
passcode. Wow. Wow. We're now look washroom. There's nice. It's it's nice. You can take a shower. No, please lights.
At least ito yung siya na napa-flash. Uy, ba't pumasok kayo dito? Doon kayo lalaki. Babae dito. May baka sabihin.
Oy.
Lumabas dito.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go out to Skyri.